respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I welcome you all to our brand new academic year.
Together, let us make this event as meaningful and memorable experience.
Earth is what we all have in common. Let us protect it, not just for today, but for every tomorrow.
Good morning. Significance of World Environment Day celebrated every year on June 5th. It is a very important day for all of us, for the entire world. Because
The official theme for World Environment Day 2025 is Beat Plastic Pollution.
Good morning everyone. As we came to the end of this wonderful program, it's my honor to deliver the word of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am for their continuous support and guidance.